love. So today we're going to do a Boxycharm unboxing. If you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a $21 a month beauty subscription. It is my absolute favorite. You always get 5 to 6 full-size products, and the value of the box is almost always over $100. So we're going to jump into this, but before we do, please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday here on my channel. Let's get into it. Alright, so as you guys know, I do have an affiliate link for Boxycharm, so if you want to subscribe and you want them to know that I sent you, it's right down below in the description box. If you don't, that's cool, but I would appreciate it. Alright, let's jump in. What I love about Boxycharm is they always come with this little card that tells me the cost of every product in the box. It also always comes with coupons on the back, so if you want to try out certain brands, like this has an It Cosmetics 10% off coupon. The theme of this box is Alter Ego, and I can already tell I'm gonna really like some of the stuff in this box. So the first thing we're getting is a full-size It Cosmetics mascara. I'm pretty sure I have tried this one. This is what it looks like. It's a superhero mascara. This guy retails for $24, so this is already more than the cost of the box right here. It just says Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. I feel like I've tried it. I'm not 100% sure, so I am excited to use it. I'm starting to run out of my Stila mascara, so it's the perfect timing for me. But I'm actually really excited to try this one. So I will probably just put it in my makeup caddy so I can go ahead and try it. Make for the thickest and most defined lashes ever. I've heard a lot of really great things about this. I've seen a couple other people get this in their Boxycharm and they were super stoked because they really like it. So definitely excited to try this guy. Oh my goodness, I've seen other people get this. It's like a black lace face mask. This is the Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. The detoxifying charcoal peel paste and lace compression mask offers spa-like extraction results. Whoa. Okay, I'm doubting that that's actually going to happen, but we'll have to try it out soon. The naturally blended peel paste in conjunction with the mask grips to the skin, helping to further draw out impurities for a deep, decongested, and exfoliated experience. I know a ton of you guys have Boxycharm and get Boxycharm. Let me know in the comments below if you tried this guy and what you thought of it. This retails for $30. $30. I personally would never spend $30 on a one-time use mask. That seems crazy. I'm really excited to try it because, again, that's not something that I would normally spend my money on, especially right now. Maybe if I had a bunch of money to, even when I had extra money, I probably wouldn't have spent $30 on a peel-off mask or any mask, one-time use mask ever. So I'm having pretty high hopes for this because it does have a really hefty price tag, but I guess we will see. But I'm excited to try it. I love getting stuff like this. Oh, it has two. It has two. Okay, but still two. Only 2 uses? Let me know, guys. Pure eyeshadow and face palette. It says face palette, but it definitely has eyeshadows in it as well. This guy's retail value is $38. It says this 10-piece face palette will take any look from natural and innocent to sultry and mysterious. This limited edition palette is arranged with highly pigmented and buildable shades that blend effortlessly into the face and eyelid for a look you'll totally adore, making a bold statement that has never been easier with four. So this is what we are looking at. Let's pop it open. Ooh, those blushes look so pretty. On this side, you get 5 shimmery shades and 1 matte shade. And then I think these are all shimmery over here. And there's a little mirror in there too, which makes it really nice. Look how pretty those blush shades are. Oh my goodness. I think this is a highlighter, but I think it's going to be a little too dark for me. Ooh, those blushes. Ooh, there's some pigment on those. So there's the blush shades. Right there. All right, and right there are the eyeshadows. Very pretty. I think I'm more excited about the blush shades. As you guys know, I've never really been a huge blush person, but lately I've been all about it, so I'm super excited to play with those. This looks like a really pretty palette, and they're not like the most common colors, like given they aren't the most unique colors either, but they're a little bit different, and it'd be really fun to play with this guy. So I'm definitely excited about this guy. I'm excited to try it. Ooh, next we have a Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. I got mine in Lovesick. I don't believe I own this shade. I saw a bunch of people getting Lolita, and I think I have a mini of Lolita, but I was kind of excited to get that. But this is so pretty, kind of mauvey, dusty, pinky purple. Does that make any sense? A dusty mauve, I guess, is the best way to describe this. This retails for $20. I do like the Kat Von D Everlasting lipsticks. They are quite drying, so they're not my absolute favorite formula, but I do enjoy them. And I'm glad that I got a shade that I will probably use. They barely have a scent, but it's not an unpleasant scent. Let's keep going. I have been really excited to try this brand. I've heard so much about Pharmacy. that I'm just super excited. This is the Green Clean. It says cult favorite makeup cleansing balm, melts away even the boldest of makeup looks. It's powerful enough to remove every last trace of long wear makeup, yet ultra nourishing on the skin, leaving it hydrated and smooth. Oh my goodness, this came at the perfect time. I have finally run out of my Glam Glow Thirsty Mud Cleanser, Thirsty Cleanse. It was my favorite and they don't make it anymore. And the only place you can find it is like Amazon. And I'm kind of paranoid to order it off Amazon. So I just have been using other cleansers like that I've gotten in beauty boxes or ones that I have lying around. None of them have been as good. So I'm really excited to try this, especially because it's supposed to be nourishing for your skin. My skin has been super dry. Oh, it smells so good too. Like jelly beans. It smells like Easter to me, like jelly beans. I will definitely give this guy a go. This is perfect. This is honestly a really good box. I feel like they can be hit or miss, and sometimes I'm excited about all the products, sometimes I'm only excited about one or two. Usually there's at least one thing in the box that I'm excited about, if not multiples. I'm honestly excited to use all of these. The one that I'll probably get the least use out of is the eyeshadow palette, only because I have so many eyeshadows and I'm such a creature of habit, but I'm really excited to use the blush shades, and there's only one matte shade in this palette. If there were more matte shades, I'd probably be more likely to reach for this because there's only one. And there's not like a transition shade or anything. So that's the only thing, but I will definitely try out the blushes. So I'm excited to have it. This is crazy because who's gonna spend that money on a mask? So stuff like Boxycharm makes it so easy for me to get to try out a bunch of new products every single month and not have to spend a bunch of money. So this is really cool. And of course the mascara, I'm excited. Now we're gonna add up the cost of the box because I do that every single time to see the additional value of the box. So the mascara is $24. The masks are $30. The eyeshadow palette and blush palette is $38. The Kat Von D liquid lipstick is $20. And the pharmacy cleanser is $22. So that gives us a retail value of $134 for the cost of the box. I'm going to minus that $21 because that's what you pay for the box. So you are getting $113 additional value in this month's Boxycharm. All right, loves. So that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment down below and let me know if you're excited about this month's box, what your favorite beauty box is, whatever you want to tell me. I would love to chat with you down there. My creator app has been really weird, so if I don't respond right away, I promise I'm not trying to like ignore you. I try and respond to every single person if I can, but it's been really weird. So it's like I'll respond to a comment, then it blocks comments below it, so I can't even see them. It's crazy. But please leave a comment down below. I'll try and hop on my actual laptop and leave you guys comments. Life has just been crazy busy with school and everything. But anyway, I love you guys so much. If you want to subscribe, please use that link down below. If you want to, no pressure. But if you want to let them know that I sent you, it's down there. Okay, loves, please subscribe if you have not already, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. I'm pretty sure this is, yeah, so it says the experience, and like it's, what? Experiment. This is the, it says the cult favorite. What? None of them have, let's add this baby up. Let's do it.